Yeah, very good morning to all of you, beta. Last class we have studied ionic equilibrium. We have studied about all the acid basis theory, and now today we are going to start with. Today we are going to study two things: Ostwald's theory, and we are going to study about pH and pOH. Now, okay, if we have क्या रे उसको जाने देने का नहीं हो तुम लोग को हाँ, चलो ठीक है बेटा कोई बात नहीं. Okay, this is dissociation constant of weak acid. Now, beta, if I have three acid, all three are weak. Acid 1, acid 2, acid 3. All are weak. Now, if all are weak, then in weak, or if all three are weak, but in thin weak, maybe there will be someone who is stronger. So, how I will find that? I will find the value of dissociation constant. We call it as Ka. For this, it will be Ka1, Ka2, and Ka3. How to find dissociation constant? I'll write weak acid. Can you see HA means acid? In this entire chapter, whenever acid will be denoted, I'll write it as HA. Why H? Because H for acid always have H plus and A stands for acid, and there will be always a reversible sign for weak acid. Now, how to find K beta product upon reactant? Concentration of product H plus and A minus upon HA. Mirinda beta here. Okay. Can you see this? And we call it as K. It is the dissociation constant of weakness. Acha, now in exam, I'll give you value like this. 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. And this is what beta? 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now I'll tell you, all three are weak acid. But who is the strongest? Kiska value bada hai? Ka1, Ka2 or Ka3? Ka1. So Ka1 will be, arrange them in the increasing order of acidity. So it will be like this. Are you getting it? Similarly for base, what we are going to write? Beta, which word we are going to write? Come on. Dissociation constant for weak base, it will be Kb. So Kb is what? Product upon reactor. Clear? Okay. The equilibrium constant for the dissociation equilibrium of weak acid is the dissociation constant. What was the equilibrium constant? If I used to write reactant and product, so what I used to write? K upon product upon reactant. So this was for reaction, so we used to call it as Kc. But if I write for acid, then it will become what? Ka. And if I write for base, then it will become Kb. ये युवराज क्यों है? ये बीमार है क्या युवराज? हाँ, चलो. Because last class also he was not there. Last two class he was not there. Anyways, now Ostwald's law of dilution we are going to study. What is Ostwald's law of dilution? Okay. Beta, I have taken weak acid HA. How many mole? 1 mole of weak acid. Dissolved in V. This is the A. This is the container and the volume of the container is V. What is the volume of this container? Tiloda. देख रहे कौन फेंक देगा तेरा इधर. This is the container. How much is the volume? V. And we have told that alpha is degree of dissociation. Alpha is मतलब इसमें से alpha जा रहा है. Okay, so now if I write equation, what was this beta? HA, alpha is degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation. Pay attention here, degree of dissociation. Here HA will dissociate to give you what? H plus and A. Hey, initial moles, how much I have taken? Initial, how many moles I have taken? 1. So initial mole is how much beta? 1. Hey, before reaction will start, will the product will be formed? No, na beta? So 0, 0. After some time equilibrium will be achieved, right? So when equilibrium होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? When equilibrium होगा तो moles at equilibrium. So how much moles? How much is the degree of dissociation? How many moles are going beta? Alpha is going na beta. So 1 minus alpha. So here what I'll get beta? Alpha and alpha. Right ना? अरे मेरे में से कितना गया आयंस? 5 आयंस गया. तो दोनों आयंस बनेगा ना 5 HA है ना बेटा? So HA will be H plus and minus will be equal ना बेटा? Right? Clear? फोन देते हैं वो देना मेरे पास रखा 2-3 बार मेरे को बोला. Okay. How much is the volume of the container? Tell me बेटा. अरे इसके अंदर मैंने डाला है introduced into this. So how much is the volume? V. What is the formula for concentration? Concentration we always write what, beta? How we write concentration, beta? We write it. Huh? Acha, now tell me, beta. I'm putting acid into this container. Hey, listen, all of you. I'm putting acid into this container. The volume will change. Same only, na, beta. Suppose this is 1 liter. Hey, listen. I have put HA into this. So will the volume change, beta? No, na, beta. Equilibrium is there, beta. For both reactant side and the product side, volume will remain same. Now, how to find concentration? Square bracket, we write it as concentration, or we call it as what? Active mass. Do you remember, beta? Whenever we write square bracket, wo kya kehte hai, beta? Concentration also. If you want, I'll write it. What is the formula for concentration? Number of moles upon volume. So N by V. So how much is your number of moles at equilibrium? N, na beta? Yeah, for number of moles we indicate by N. Shruti beta, this is N. So now so what will be N by V? Tell me. Arey beta, this is your number of moles as N. So N by will be what? 1 minus alpha by V. Here it will be alpha by, here it will be alpha by V. Is this clear? Right. Achha, how much is this thing? How many moles we have taken, beta? 1 mole, na? Right, na, beta? 1 mole we have taken, na, beta? Okay. So look, this, have you understood this part, beta? Hello. Acha, now tell me, beta, number of moles is 1. So what is the formula for concentration? It is N by V. So N by V is C, na, beta? How much is your moles, beta? 1. So 1 by V ko can I write it as C or not? Tell me. So beta, how I'll write this? So this part, 1 by V is what? 1 by V is what? Your C, na? So can, yeah, Nerissa, 1 by V is what, beta? 1 by V is C, na? So can I write this 1 into alpha C? This 1 by V is what, beta? C, na? So can I write this as alpha C? Can I write this as alpha C? Understood or not? Tell me. Alpha by V, can I write it as alpha into 1 by V? What is 1 by V? C, na? So I'll get alpha C or not? Tell me. Now I'll show you the notes which I have given to you. Look into my notes. Have you all understood? Look what we have written, beta. In exam, they will ask this. Derivation will come for 3 marks or 2 marks. Ostwald's law for weak acid. Ostwald's law for weak acid. So what you'll write here? Consider 1 mole of a weak acid dissolved in VDM cube of solution and let alpha be the... Now look, HA, H plus and A minus. So this is for this is for this, and this is for this. Now initial moles, how much we have taken? Tell me, Shruti beta, Shruti nahi kya? Swati beta, how much we have taken? 1, na? So this will be 0, 0. Moles at equilibrium. Moles ka symbol kya hota hai, beta? What is the symbol for moles? Gauri beta, I'll take your 4, na beta, now look. Number of moles is what, beta? N. So A, how much I was having, total mole was 1. So from me, this much is dissociating. Yeah. This much is dissociating. So it will be alpha is going from me. So product mate will get converted from reactant, alpha is going. So it will go into product or not. Tell me. क्या कर रही है बेटा? Mirinda. Looking into notes or what? Okay, yeah. Alpha, alpha. How much is the volume beta of the container? V, right? Molar concentration का formula क्या है? बोलो. Look, square bracket. This is concentration or square bracket. It is what? N by... So this will be 1 minus alpha by V. This is alpha by V. This is alpha by V. How much moles we have taken? 1 mole. So C is 1 by V. So alpha by V, can I write it as alpha C? This I can write as alpha C, and this will become 1 minus alpha into C. Is this clear? Hello. Tell me, bros. Understood till here? Okay. But we have not yet done the derivation. Now what we have to do? Come on. बेटा आ रहा है ना बोलना, कुछ नहीं आएगा तो अब भी बता देने का क्लासमेट. ठीक है, चलो. देन ए, what was our HA? HA was what, beta? Reversible H plus and A minus. What is the formula for Ka? Tell me, Dhruvin. Product upon reactant. Product में कौन है बोलो? हम. Who is there in product? Into upon constant. This is square bracket का मतलब क्या है? Concentration. Okay, at equilibrium. Now tell me, what was the value of H plus at equilibrium? Notes किधर है तेरे? Notes, where is the notes? What was H plus का value? What was H plus का value? अरे look here. क्या 1 ED? H plus was what, beta? Alpha. H plus. Really, yaar. What was H plus? Look here. Alpha C. What is your A minus? And what is this, beta? Oh, sorry, alpha by V, alpha by V. First we'll take this. And then 1 minus alpha by C. Sorry, here, where is my this thing? Kidhar gaya wo? Document लो. अच्छा, I'll show you here also I've written. Look. ही तो बेटा बहुत जल्दी आ गया है ये। अरे ये देखना, ये तेरा क्या है बोल बेटा? Concentration. What is this? This square bracket means what? Concentration of H plus. How much it is? Alpha by V or not? Tell me. Concentration of A minus is what, beta? Here I have written this concentration. Alpha by, and this is 1 minus alpha by V. Yeah, very good. So what is this? Oh, आंखों में आंसू आ गए. Very nice. Alpha by V into alpha by V upon 1 minus alpha by V. Hey, VV will get cancel or not? Tell me. And what I'll get, beta, here? Alpha square upon 1 minus alpha into V. Hey, this is, achha, now tell me, dissociation of weak acid is less than 5%. Matlab it is 0.005, right? What is alpha, beta? 0.05. So for weak acid, alpha is very small than 1. So can I write 1 minus alpha is almost equal to 1? Right or not? Tell me. Hello. Yeah. Come on. So what I'm going to get? Alpha square C by V. Why? Because 1 minus alpha is very small. So alpha, since alpha is very small. So 1 minus alpha will be how much, beta? 1. So what I got? Ka is equal to what? Bolo na? Alpha square C. Yeah, very good. So if I take alpha square on one side, what I'm going to get? Ka into V or not? Yeah, this will go here or not? Tell me. Therefore, taking square root. So what I'm going to get? Root of Ka into root of V. Right, beta? Hey, Ka is what, beta? Constant or not? Tell me. Therefore, alpha is directly proportional to what? Volume. Volume is what? Dilution. So degree of alpha का नाम क्या बोलो बेटा? Degree of dissociation of which acid? Weak acid is directly proportional to the square root of dilution. Volume को क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? Dilution. This is also a law of weak acid in terms of dilution. But if I want to write in terms of concentration, if I want to write this in terms of what? So now tell me beta, K is what we derive right now. K is alpha square by V or not? Tell me. Can I write this K as what? Alpha square into 1 by V. Now tell me beta, what is your 1 by V here? N or not? Sorry. C. Concentration. What is concentration? N by V. How much moles we have taken here? 1. So this is my concentration or not? So can I write this? Ka is equal to alpha square into C. Therefore, what will be my alpha square is equal to 1 by Ka upon C. Now, if I want to take square root on both the side, what I'll get? Root of Ka upon root of C. Tell me, is this equal to and K? This is constant or not? Therefore, alpha is inversely proportional to, bolo, square root of concentration. So there are two statements for this. For weak electrolyte, according to Ostwald law, for weak electrolyte, what you are going to get? Bolo, degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte is directly proportional to square root of dilution or inversely proportional to square root of concentration. Have you all understood this? Now I'll show you the entire derivation. Look here. Very systematically. Look, now let us read the statement. What is the statement? Look, degree of dissociation of weak acid is inversely proportional to square root of concentration. It was inversely proportional to square root of concentration or not, tell me. And it was directly proportional to square root of volume. That is what? Dilution. Volume को क्या बोलते बोलो बेटा? Dilution. Containing 1 mole of weak acid. How much mole we took? 1. Now this entire derivation I have given you. Look here, Alpha by V20 दिख रहा है ना बेटा? Then look here. Then 1 minus alpha is what बेटा? Alpha is very very small. So what I'll do बेटा? अच्छा very very small तो आप यहाँ पे लिखो. 1 minus alpha is approximately equal to 1. ये लिख लो वहां पे. लिख दे हीरो. लिख दे. लिखना चिंगूर. क्या नहीं मिला? देगा कान के नीचे.
सर आपने उस दिन अली को भी नहीं दिया था.
अली को दिया, उसका दिया, तुमने मेरा बैग में डाल दिया था.
सर मुझे मिल नहीं तो बोल रहा हूँ.
झूठ मत बोल बेटा.
अरे आगे के सब पहले के नोट्स एक नोट्स लिख पहन लो.
ले ले बेटा. और क्या करूं बोल बेटा. अरे देगा कान के नीचे.
सर मैंने
बेटा ऐसा मत करो यार, तुम लोग है ना ऐसा.
सर मैंने नहीं घुमाया इसमें. सर आई है. हाँ
तूने क्या, मैं कल बैठा
अरे सर वो अली का
मैं अली का वहां पे था, तूने बोला मैंने बस बैग में रख दिया, जगह नहीं है.
सर वो बैग कभी चेंज ही नहीं करते हैं.
और कुछ निकाल दो.
ओके ले लेना, बात दे दिया ना, अभी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. ओके हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? चलो हेलो. तो ये देखो, दिस वी हैव डिराइव्ड लाइक डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ डाइल्यूशन. श्रुति बेटा फोन नहीं. इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. क्लियर? चलो अच्छा, दिस वी हैव डन बेटा. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड परफेक्टली? स्वाति बेटा समझ में आ गया पूरा अच्छे से? ए हीरो क्या कर रहा है रंगोली इधर? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? टेल मी. मार डाला. ठीक है अभी यार बेटा, ये देखिए 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 देखिए, ये डेरिवेशन वी हैव डन बेटा. फर्स्ट वी डिड गौरी बेटा दिस और नॉट? टेल मी दिस. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड बेटा? ओके नाउ टेल मी बेटा, k is what बेटा? अल्फा स्क्वायर. ka is what बेटा? अल्फा स्क्वायर by v. Can I write this as alpha square into 1 by v? अच्छा, what was concentration? N by v, right beta? How many moles we have taken? 1. Very good. So can I write 1 by v की जगह पे c? Therefore k is equal to what? Alpha square c. Therefore alpha will be what? Alpha square will be k upon c. If I take square root, then this will be what beta? Square root of k. 1 square root of c. बरोबर ना? पूरे का मैंने स्प्लिट कर दिया. Now this whenever this k is always constant ना बेटा, dissociation constant. So can I, whenever equal to and constant we remove, we introduce which sign? Proportionality sign or not? Tell me. Have you understood this? So look, my derivation also I've given you both the things. Look beta, we have written in both the terms. Can you see? We have written in terms of c also and we have written in terms of v also. Are you getting it? Now beta, ये क्वेश्चन आएगा. मिरिंडा, क्या क्वेश्चन आएगा बेटा? Derive Ostwald's law. For what beta? Weak base. So what you will do? Entire thing will remain one and the same. खाली क्या चेंज होगा बोलो? एसिड के लिए we used to write Ka ना? हाँ बस. और एक चीज चेंज होगा बेटा. Look, A instead of this what it will become? BO. कलर चेंज कर देता हूं मैं. Instead of this what will become? Ryan बेटा यहाँ पे देख. बेस के लिए हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? BOH. This will become B plus and this will become, so this will become your B plus, this will become your OH minus, this will become your BOH and instead of Ka it will become, बाकी पूरा सब सेम रहेगा. जहां पे भी A है खाली वहां पे B आएगा बस. Are you getting it? Wherever there is Ka what will come? KB. पूरा डेरिवेशन सेम होगा बस. Easy. Are you getting it? Hello. Pranav beta, online student Melroy, are you getting it beta? Hello.
Yes sir.
Ethan man, why are you again online today? What man? Okay, so look beta, same thing will happen, everything, but hey, in exam you don't write this much only. You'll write entire thing. This table also will make. What changes you will do here? Here instead of HA, what you'll write beta? Yes, BOH. And here you will write what? BOH. This will become B plus and OH minus. Rest everything will remain same and only this KB, it will become KB. Rest everything will be same. And in definition, you will say, as per the degree of dissociation, instead of weak acid, what you'll write? Weak base. Easy. Right. Now, in this beta, what all thing we have studied? A, what is the formula for H plus? We got concentration of H plus. Can I write it as alpha C? Can you see this? Okay. Similarly, for OH minus, what it will be beta? Alpha C. Okay. Now, in this, on the basis of this beta, we are going to solve some numericals. We are going to solve some. Now, beta, if same acid, if I have same acid, okay, look now, beta, if I have same acid at two different concentration, so beta, for acid, beta, always same acid is there. If acid is same, will its concentration change? What was that? Okay. Same acid, beta, acid, if acid is same only, will its dissociation constant ka naam hi constant. Why we have given the name constant? It is always remain same. So same acid at two different concentrations. So Ka1 will be always equal to Ka2. Hey, what was the formula for Ka? Bolo, alpha square C. So here I'll write 1. And here I'll write what? Alpha square 2C. That's it. Clear? At two different concentration ना बेटा. But अच्छा Ka का formula क्या है? Alpha 1 alpha square C. Ka is also alpha square C. But only concentration will change. But overall both value will be same. Chalo. Now we have to do the numericals. But before doing numericals, I'll just show you what all thing I have done for you all. Okay. Look, beta. We started with which chapter in your textbook? Page number 47. Ionic equilibrium. We have done all this degree of dissociation, acid-base theory, all this theory we have done. Lewis theory, acid-base theory. Today in last class we did amphoteric nature of water. Then beta acid ke liye what we studied today? Ka and Kb. Can you see dissociation constant of weak acid? Ka. Hello, Ka. And this, कौन ये बार बार अंदर बाहर हो रहा है? Heat. The network problem. Then we did Ka. This is what your beta Kb. Ostwald's law we did. सो गई क्या वो? Then beta look, we derived this, huh beta? This derivation abhi now I have done very nicely. I have done all this derivation. Look, we derived this or not? Tell me. Yeah. And this is the law. Degree of dissociation of weak acid is inversely proportional to the square root of what? Concentration, or directly proportional to square root of dilution for 1 mole of weak acid. Then for weak base, we did this derivation. Can you see this? Easy. Chalo, now we are going to go for the numericals which are related to very easy numerical. Now, okay, for weak acid we are doing beta. What all thing we studied for weak acid? Okay, so that I am going to give you now. Chalo beta, आज हम लोग ने क्या क्या किया? Tell me what we did. Weak acid, this is for weak acid and this will be for weak base. First tell me beta, what was your A? You only tell me. K is what beta? Alpha square C. For Kb, what I'll write? Same thing. If I want to write alpha, then what will be beta 8? E. Arey, what is heat is? मैं बता रहा हूं ना बेटा, रुकेगी 2 मिनट. ओके. Or I can write what beta? Or I can write alpha is equal to 1 upon C is what beta? B, na beta? Acha, H plus is what? For weak acid, alpha C. For weak base, what is beta percentage dissociation? Okay. Percentage dissociation will be what beta? Come on. बेटा ये मैंने पूरा आपको सब लिस्ट दिया यहाँ पे देखो. हाँ मैं बताता हूँ, रुक जा. वो मैंने पीएच के साथ में बाद में दिया. ये देखिए इधर पे ये दिखाई दे रहा है, ये परसेंटेज डिसोसिएशन तुम्हारे ये दिख रहा है। देख वीक एसिड के लिए दिया है, ओके। ये सब वीक एसिड वाला ही मैंने पहले बताया आपको, हाँ, स्ट्रॉन्ग वाला नहीं। एंड परसेंटेज डिसोसिएशन इज व्हाट, अल्फा इंटू, अभी देखो ये सम सब आपको ओरली आ जाएगा बेटा। परसेंटेज डिसोसिएशन इज अल्फा इंटू 100। तो अगर मेरे को अल्फा चाहिए तो व्हाट आई डू, देयरफॉर अल्फा विल बी व्हाट, परसेंटेज डिसोसिएशन अपॉन, चलो ये देख लो पहले अच्छे से। दिस इज फॉर वीक एसिड एंड दिस इज फॉर, ए जल्दी से फॉर्मूला देखो, चलो फटाफट। ए डोंट लुक इनटू दिस, फर्स्ट सी ऑल दिस फॉर
Third,
हाउ
इधर लिखा है less than
5%। तो वीक एसिड का हम लोग ने स्टार्टिंग में पढ़ा था ना, 5% के नीचे वो फिर नहीं होता, नहीं है। स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड तो कंप्लीटली अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 1 ना, मेरे पे 100 था, 100 डिसोसिएट हो गया आफ्टर अपॉन बिफोर, 100 अपॉन 100, व्हाट आंसर आई गेट, 1। आई वांट यू टू लुक इनटू दिस फार्मूला क्विकली। चलो, अरे ओनली 2 फार्मूला वी आर गोइंग टू डू। what not given, what not given, हाँ क्या, हाँ तो देख ले जल्दी बता मेरे को टाइम टेबल, मेरे पास स्टूडेंट टेल मी टाइम टेबल। तेरा नहीं है, तेरा तो एक ही है सर।
हमारे घर से परिस्थिति का घटा हो रहा है, एक दिन पानी को
हाँ बस वो पता है ना, मैंने बोला था ना, राइट।
Doris, what class now? Why did you remove it? I think we already do this stuff.
Last 60 seconds, last 60 seconds for time table। हाँ हाँ तेरे को देखी मत। ए मेरा टाइम टेबल नहीं आया।
They're giving the
All in same tax, all in same tax, no। चलो
सर 2 मिनट,
अरे 2 मिनट क्या, लास्ट 30 seconds आई एम गिविंग यू नाउ।
वेबसाइट का है कॉलेज।
ए स्वाति, टू रिसर्च तेरा कुछ होता नहीं है, टू रिसर्च तेरा क्या है, प्रैक्टिकल्स होता है, नहीं एवरीडे प्रैक्टिकल्स होता है। ये देखना, ओके
सर 2 मिनट
नहीं बस, अरे यार आई एम कीप दिस फॉर्मूला इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। वीक एसिड, वीक बेस, श्रुति बेटा वी आर डूइंग न्यूमेरिकल्स नाउ। चलो 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 क्विकली। हेलो ओके, तो यार आज प्रॉब्लम बता, ए तू तेरा देखना वाह कैसा। ओके मानस बेटा, आर यू गेटिंग दिस और नॉट, टेल मी।
यस सर।
गेम खेल रहा है क्या आप?
अरे नहीं यार।
ओके बस ना, कीप इनसाइड बेटा, इनफ। चलो बेटा, वीक एसिड है, वीक बेस। गौरी बेटा बस 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 बस, ऑल ऑफ यू गर्ल्स हियर प्लीज, ए बेबी। चलो ए हेलो, फॉर वीक Now in exam, what all thing they will ask? Listen carefully. Trisha. Hey, ए बाद में वो ब्रेक में दूंगा तभी देखना ना बस, ठीक है? ए त्रिशा बेटा बस. In exam, they will tell you to find Ka. Then they will tell you to find Kb. If base will be there, then Kb. Next, what they will tell you to find? Alpha. What they will tell you to find? Or next, what else they can ask you to find? Percentage dissociation. Percentage dissociation formula is what? Alpha into 100. Chalo, first numerical. Oh, I have given you all these notes, beta. And this is the Salt textbook example only, beta. Look. This is the one. What is given here? Tell me. Okay, Hiloni, read this. In your textbook, it is page number 5050. What is given? Boys. Yeah. So what is given? Percentage dissociation is given. Percentage dissociation for formula is what, beta? Alpha into 100. But percentage dissociation they are given or not? Tell me. 0.05 is into alpha into 100. So what will be your alpha? Therefore, 0.05 upon 100. So that is how much, beta? 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 or not? Tell me. Then what else is given? Is in 0.02 molar. Kunar, beta, 0.02 molar means concentration is given. What we have to find? Ka is equal to how much? What is the formula for Ka? K is equal to what? Alpha square C.
Yeah.
Alpha square C. How much alpha you got, beta? 5 into 10 raised to minus 4, the whole square. How much is C? Can I write this C as 2 into 10 raised to minus 2? So 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. So this pi ka square is 25. 25 into 2 is how much, beta? 50. This will become 10 raised to minus 8 into 10 raised to minus 2. So 10 raised to minus 10. And done. Clear? Hello. 50 into 10 raised to minus 10. ये देखो बेटा. फिर व्हाट देख नहीं आया कि नहीं? ये करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं थी. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं? क्लियर? इजी? चलो आ जाओ यार. नेक्स्ट सम. रेहान बेटा रीड. व्हाट इज गिवन? हाँ, एक मिनट. Dissociation constant of NH4OH. Is it a acid or base? So what is given? Kb. Kb na? Base it is na? Calculate is what degree of dissociation and what is given? Concentration 0.01. 0.01 can I write it as 10 raised to minus? Sorry. 10 raised to minus 2 डायरेक्ट लिखना. 1 into 10 raised to minus वही होता है ना. हाँ चलो very good बेटा. Now what you have to find? Alpha. What formula we are going to use? हाँ, Kb is equal to what beta? Alpha square C. Therefore alpha will be what beta? Root of Kb by C. बराबर है. तो रूट ऑफ Kb is how much बेटा? अच्छा कभी भी ये बेटा ये ऑड नंबर होगा ना तो कन्वर्ट इट इनटू व्हाट? इवन. क्या करने का उसको? इवन. तो इसको मैं कैसा लिख सकता हूँ बोलो बेटा? 18 into 10 raised to minus 6 लिख सकता हूँ कि नहीं बोलो बेटा? So what I'll get beta? 18 into 10 raised to minus 6 upon 10 raised to minus 2. So what I'll get beta? Root of 10 raised to minus 2 पर आएगा तो 10 raised to minus 4. 10 raised to minus 4 का इसका स्क्वायर रूट तुमको मिल जाएगा. क्या मिलेगा? बाहर आ जाएगा ना 10 raised to minus 2. Root of 18. Root of 18 को can I write 2 into 9? So 2 into 9 means what beta? Root of 2 into root of 9, right? Root of 9 is how much beta? 3. And इसका कितना होता है? 1.414. राइट ना बेटा? रूट ऑफ 2 पता है कि नहीं? रूट ऑफ 2 का वैल्यू बचपन में भी पढ़ा है बेटा, रूट ऑफ 2, रूट ऑफ 3, हाँ 1.73, तो फिर बस हो गया बेटा, आंसर आ जाएगा। अरे चिंदी फॉर्मूला है बेटा, क्लियर है? तो लोग बेटा ये अपन लोगों ने सॉल्व किया तो अपने को आंसर आ जाएगा। देखो 10⁻²⁻2 आया था ना बेटा, फिर वो 3 × 1.414 इजी। चलो ना बेटा, आई हैव गिवन यू दिस बेबी। ओ लुक, आई हैव गिवन यू दिस नोट्स बेटा, दिख रहा है? उसमें बेटा है ना, इसमें पूरे सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स है, दिस सॉल्व है, ठीक है ना बेटा? एवरीथिंग इज सॉल्व, लॉग एंटी लॉग के साथ में दिया हुआ है, यही समझ है। इसमें बेटा जो प्लस साइन है, दिस प्लस साइन मींस व्हाट बेटा? इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। स्टार मींस टेक्स्ट बैक का अनसॉल्व। So we did this. Gauri beta, we did this. Ah. Shh. Now, this is text back unsolved example. Text back. What is written? Okay, chalo. We'll start from Konark. Konark, whenever, acha, now this is very important. I have given in my notes also. Whenever beta they use word semi-molar, decimolar, okay, look here. I have written here beta. If you see in the beginning, yeah, in the beginning, ये देखो. Okay, decimolar, 0.1. Deci means 0.1. Semi means 0.5. सेंटी मीन्स पॉइंट, अरे डेसी मतलब डिवाइड बाय 10 होता है बेटा। सेमी मीन्स तुम्हारा क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? सेमी मीन्स हाफ, राइट ना? सेमी मतलब हाफ होता है ना, सेमी सर्कल। सेंटी मीन्स 1/100, तो 1/100 इज 0.01। ओके, सो दिस इज अनसॉल्व्ड एग्जांपल। हु वाज डूइंग दिस? कोनार्क। दिस इज योर टेक्स्ट बैक अनसॉल्व्ड एग्जांपल। चलो, what is written beta? Percentage ionization, so percentage dissociation is given. How much it is given? 5%. Percentage dissociation formula is what beta? Alpha into 100. So phi is equal to alpha. Hey, shut your mouth. Therefore alpha will be what beta? Phi upon 100. So that is phi into 10⁻². Decimolar, what do you mean by deci? अभी बताया था ना बेटा? हाँ, तो decimolar means concentration is what beta? 0.1. Clear? So can I write this at 10⁻⁻1? What you have to calculate? Of क्या होता है डिसोसिएशन कांस्टेंट? क्या होता है? के क्या? ए, हाँ के बोल रहा है तू खाली। चलो बेटा आ गया। सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? कम ऑन। हाँ चिंदी, ये हो गया अल्फा स्क्वायर से। क्या चिंदी सम है बेटा? ये 2-2 मार्क्स के लिए सम आनेगा, 2-2 मार्क्स।
मैं लिख रही थी, मैं लिख रही थी।
हाँ हाँ, ये लिख रही थी, देखिए गॉड्स प्लान। हाँ बस बाद में लेना, क्लास के बाद। हाँ तो बस ये देख बेटा, लुक दिस इज वेरी इजी बेटा, सिमिलर सम वी डिड जस्ट नाउ। चुपचाप बैठ। तेरा 2 बजे होता है ना, तो हाँ तो 11:30 तक मैं करूंगा। हाँ, अब खाना वाना खाना बाद में, पार्सल लेके जाऊंगा। बस कुछ नहीं, कुछ नहीं। देख
मुझे इधर तो निकल गया दूसरे में। झूठ क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? झूठ क्यों बोल रहा हूँ?
look beta, please let us not waste time here. Hey, look, percentage ionization, percentage dissociation is given or not? Tell me. Ah, all of you understood. Nerissa, have you understood this? What happened? Why are you crying, beta? Okay. So A, this some A plus sign means this is the in-text question which we have done. अच्छा चलो बेटा, this is again *1. Hey Ryan, दे दे फोन, दे दे तू भी। Read this sum. Look, I am solving each and every sum. Huh? Okay. Chalo, what is given? Ryan, read. Dissociation constant of what? This is beta in text question. I mean, this is unsolved text back question. K A is given into 10 raised to minus 5. हाँ, concentration is given or not? 0.01 को क्या लिखने का कभी भी 10 raised to minus 2. 1 upon काय के लिए ये इजी हो जाएगा. Calculate percentage डिसोसिएशन ढूंढना है, बट इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? अल्फा इंटू 100. तो मतलब सबसे पहले व्हाट विल कैलकुलेट? अल्फा. So what is the formula for Ka? K is what beta? Alpha square C. Therefore alpha will be what beta? Root of Ka upon C. I told you beta, whenever you get this type of sum, so always same है ना बेटा, right? 10 raised to minus 6 कर दो बेटा. क्लियर है? हाँ, इजी नहीं, लेकिन ए वहां पे खत्म नहीं होगा बेटा. अभी क्या होगा बेटा? Here what I'll get beta? This will write what? 18 into 10 raised to minus 6, and this will become 10 raised to minus 2. So this will go up. So I'll get 10 raised to minus 4. तो 10 raised to minus 2 बाहर आ जाएगा. Then I'll get root of 18 is 2 into 9, right beta? So that will be 1.414 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 2. तो हाँ, into 100 काय के लिए? हाँ, अबे हाँ, पहले इतना हो जाएगा. ये तेरे को क्या मिलेगा बेटा? अल्फा. अभी अपने को क्या चाहिए? परसेंटेज. सो उसको फाइनल ये जो भी आंसर आएगा उसको आई मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. हाँ, सो 10 raised to minus 2 विल गो. लुक बेटा, ये देख यही बचेगा कि नहीं? इजी. न्यूमेरिकल्स आर वेरी वेरी इजी. हाँ हाँ, वाटर. अच्छा, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लीज चले नेरिसा, यू विल डू दिस. ओह तो सॉरी. अच्छा अच्छा, तो ये है ना तेरे लिए, ये ले, ये ले. ये सॉल्व है, मैंने नोट्स दिया ना उसमें तुझे. यही था वो सम बेटा, देख रही है. एंड दिस इज परसेंटेज डिसोसिएशन अल्फा इंटू 100. बस डन डन. चले हीरोइन થઈ ગયું તારું. હેલો. This is in-text question which I am doing. Wow, how will you do this, Nerissa? Come on, tell me. 12% dissociated and 0 point. So this is what they have given, percentage dissociation. And this of alpha 1 and this is concentration 1. What will be the percent dissociation? Means what you have to find? Percentage alpha 2. And concentration is how much beta? C2. Clear? Okay. Now since acid is same only na beta, at two different concentration. हाँ, तो मैं आपको ना हाँ, I'll just tell you. So okay. So percentage dissociation में से first what I can find from this percent, we have to find percentage dissociation only here. Okay. So since both the acid are same, so Ka1 will be equal to what beta? Ka2 or not? Tell me. So look beta, what I'm going to do? Yeah. नहीं पहले सबसे पहले what we are going to do? Percentage dissociation is what? Nerissa, alpha into 100 or not? Tell me. Therefore, how much percentage was given? 12. So what you are going to get beta? 12 into 10 raised to minus 2. So we got this. So what you are going to do now? Ka1 into Ka. So alpha 1 square C1 is equal to alpha 2 square C2. So alpha 1 square, we got this or not? Tell me. C1 is how much beta? 0.05. That is 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. Alpha square to know. C2 is how much beta? 15 into 10 raised to minus 2. So you will solve this and you will get alpha now. अच्छा, अल्फा मिल जाएगा तो फिर क्या करोगे बेटा? परसेंटेज डिसोसिएशन, हाँ मतलब परसेंटेज डिसोसिएशन विल बी व्हाट बेटा? अल्फा 2 into easy, right? Easy or not? Tell me. Sums is very easy beta. Ionic equilibrium is the most simplest chapter. ठीक है? Gauri beta, this solution is given beta. Look here. So we got this, then we did percentage alpha into 100. That's it. Clear? This is in text question. Gauri, you only will tell me how you are going to do this. What is given, Gauri? Hello. Calculate H. Hydronium means H plus ion we have to calculate. What is given? This is C. Concentration is how much? Okay. And what else is given? 0.1 ko can I write 10 raised to minus 1? Ka. How much it is?
1.
And what you have to calculate? H plus concentration. So what was the formula for H plus? Today we did H plus is equal to what? Very good. Alpha C. So pehle A, first we'll calculate alpha or not? Tell me dear. So therefore, how will you calculate alpha? K is equal to what? Alpha square C. Therefore, alpha will be what beta? Root of K by C. ये तो बेटा ये K को मैं ऐसे कभी भी बेटा रूट में आएगा तो नहीं डायरेक्ट करेंगे बेटा आ जाएगा. क्यों पता है क्या? वापस सेम नहीं आएगा बेटा. हाँ तो ये 10 raised to minus 5 upon 10 raised to minus 1 है ना बेटा. तो दिस विल बिकम व्हाट? 10 raised to minus 4. आर यू गेटिंग इट? क्लियर है? तो 10 raised to minus 2 बाहर आ जाएगा. तो अल्फा मिल जाएगा बेटा. ओके कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज गिवन राइट. क्लियर. सो विल मल्टीप्लाई. इजी. जा 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 तू जा. Look beta, we calculated first alpha and then H alpha C. हो गया. कितना इजी था? Right? Clear? Now chalo beta. So we have done the numericals related to this. Now we are going to go for the next part. चलो आ जाते बेटा इधर. Now we are going to start with ionic product of water. If for acid, what we used to write? Please pay attention here. For water, what water will dissociate to give you what beta? H plus and if I apply equation K, so what I'll get beta? H plus into OH minus. H plus को I can write hydronium also. Upon what beta? H2O. Achha, if I take H2 on this side, so what I'll get? K into water. For acid we used to write A. For base we used to write B. So water we will write W. KW is equal to what? So this is, acha, now tell me, are these the ions of water or not? Tell me this was water. These are the ions of water or not? Now tell me, is this the product of ions of water or not? Product means in दोनों के बीच में which sign is there multiply. Therefore we call it as KW. KW is nothing but what? Ionic product of water. Ionic product of water. Ionic product of water. Ionic product of water. Clear? Achha, now ionic product of water, the value will be always what beta? 10 raised to minus 40 at room temperature at 298 Kelvin. This value is fixed. This value is, but it will increase with if I increase the temperature. If I increase the temperature, value of KW also increases. This is very important. They will ask this in MCQ. They will ask this in what beta? हाँ तो ये दिखा रहा हूँ ना बेटा, ये देखना बेटा, ये देख दिया है ना नोट्स में बेटा, देखना H2 is equal to H plus into H minus. So K is what beta? H plus into H upon water. So this water will go here. So this will become what your KW. This will remain as it is. This is very important. It is temperature dependent. Value of KW is always how much beta? 10 raised to minus 14 at room temperature. Clear? Look, okay, 10 raised to minus 14. Is this clear? Okay, hello. Right? अच्छा, if temperature will increase, so Kw का value will become what? 10 to minus 14 or less than that? It will become less than that. Because 10 का power will be less, so more will be the value. Now, ये बेटा you have studied in your lower standard pH scale, ऐसा नाम सुना है pH scale? pH scale. Okay, listen, all of you. Hello, look here. अरे खुल जा सिमसिम. All of you, have you seen this scale? pH scale. This is known as which scale? pH scale. pH means what? Potence of hydrogen. Power of hydrogen ion. Potence means power of H plus ion. There is a scale. We call it as which scale? pH. pH का formula by default is minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion. The scale का range is between 0 to 14. The range is between, आजा बेटा अभी आजा, pH में बैठ जा. pH से start करेगा. दरवाजा pH scale is what beta? 0 to A. If it is between pH, Ryan beta, if it is between 0 to 7, then it is what beta? If it is between 7 to 14, then it is alkaline or basic. If it is exact 7, then neutral. But here you have to remember beta, lower the pH, stronger the acid. So suppose beta, if I give you 3 pH wala, pH 1, pH 2, pH 3, who is the strongest acid? pH 1. Lower the pH. This is very important beta, lower the pH. Higher, stronger the acid. Higher the pH, stronger the base. And when it is 7, then it is exactly what? Neutral. Look here beta. In your textbook, just now we did this sum beta. Then beta we did this. Can you see this? H plus ion. Hey, page number 51, I started with this part. We did ionic product of water. Can you see this? Kw is equal to H plus into OH minus. Its value is fixed. How much beta? 10 raised to minus 14. Acha, now tell me beta, here pH scale is given or not? Tell me, what is pH scale? Log, negative log to the base 10 of concentration of hydrogen ion in its solution. pH scale. Then hello. Hey, what is the formula for pH? Minus log to the base 10 of H plus. Instead of H plus, I can write hydronium. Hey, when you take minus this side, so this will become inverse or not? Tell me. So it is log to the base 10 of 1 upon H plus. So now tell me, what is the relation? Tiloda. इधर ये दे फोन दे, अभी इधर दे मेरे को फोन दे, बोला ना. ये माइनस इधर जाएगा तो इट विल बिकम 1 अपॉन pH. नाउ टेल मी बेटा, गौरी बेटा, इफ H प्लस बढ़ेगा, H प्लस, ठीक है, तो pH का वैल्यू क्या होगा? कम ना. pH is inversely proportional to higher the H plus. More H plus means more acidic and lower is the pH. Similarly for POH हम लोग क्या करेंगे? पूरा फॉर्मूला में अगर मैंने pOH डाला तो यहाँ पे खाली क्या होगा? minus log to the base 10, and instead of H plus it will become OH minus, and POH will be also what beta? Inversely proportional to what beta? OH minus. Clear? Now beta board with this derivation, they definitely know. Many time it has been repeated. They may ask this year also. Derive relationship between Gauri beta. Derive relationship between pH and pOH. Relationship between pH and pOH. Gauri beta, according to ionic product of water, what we get? Kw is equal to what? H plus into OH minus. And this is how much beta? 10 raised to minus 40. Are you getting it? This was ionic Mirinda. This was our ionic product of water. Now what I am going to do? So therefore, can I write this as this way? H plus into OH minus. Instead of Kw, I can write this value or not? Tell me beta. OH minus into 10 raised to minus 40. Now what you are going to take? Taking log on both the side. Log to the base 10 on both sides. So what you will get? If you take log to the base, log on both the side. Come on. So what I'll get? Log H plus into OH minus is equal to log to the base 10 of, here what was written? 10 raised to minus 14. A log of A plus log of B, Mirinda, log of A plus log of B. A. Log of A into
Log AB.
मैथ्स का बेटा थोड़ा फॉर्मूला में बताता आप लोगों को बेटा. Log AB is what बेटा? Log A plus log B. इतना पता है? राइट? चलो तो इसको मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूं? Log to the base 10 of H plus log to the base 10 of OH minus. Hey, you know बेटा, if any log दिया है बेटा and base is A raised to minus B, if base is same, then what will happen? This will become what बेटा? Minus B or not? Tell me. अरे बेस और पावर दोनों का सेम रहेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? सेम. तो 10 और 10 दोनों सेम है तो what will be the answer?
1 होता है 14.
10 raised to minus 40.
Log A to the base A 1.
अबे log A to the base A raised to minus, हाँ तो 1 गायब हो गया ना बेटा, तो माइनस B बचेगा ना. हाँ तो बस, तो यहाँ पे अभी क्या बचेगा? 1 इंटू, अरे भाई ऐसा लिखो क्या? 1 इंटू माइनस 14 तो 1 ही हुआ ना. ठीक है, माइनस 14 आंसर आएगा कि नहीं? गौरी बेटा यहाँ पे देख, मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड बाय -1, मल्टीप्लाइंग चलो हाँ पूरा है, मैं बता रहा ना, पहले देख ले इधर. -1 में क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस ये हो जाएगा कि नहीं? बोलो. ओके, ये प्लस को प्लस ही रखा और आगे ये देख, -1 में पूरे को साइड से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ. आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ बाय -1 और नॉट. हाँ तो माइनस, हाँ, लेकिन मैं पर्पसली आई रिटर्न प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस ओनली ना. ये बजा मत रे. -1 इंटू -14. ए व्हाट इज दिस? माइनस पुनः माइनस लॉग टू द बेस 10 H प्लस को क्या बोलते हैं? क्या बोलते हैं इसको? इसको क्या बोलते हैं वो मेरे को बता. व्हाट वी कॉल दिस? व्हाट मैन, व्हाट इज दिस? एंड व्हाट इज दिस? गर्ल्स, गर्ल, सॉरी गर्ल्स यहाँ पे बोला. गौरी बेटा यहाँ पे देख, व्हाट इज दिस? पीएच और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
What was this?
POA.
And -1 into minus, so what it will be this? So this is the important derivation. pH plus pOH is equal to how much? 14. This is very, very important. Look here, I'll show you the derivation now. ये देखो बेटा, we did ionic product today, right? We did ionic product. अच्छा, pH we did ना, pH is minus log to the base 10 or it is inversely proportional to H plus. pOH is minus log to the base 10 OH, inversely proportional to H. अच्छा बेटा, if I write pH, so what I do बेटा, I put minus log to the base 10 and I write what बेटा? H plus or not? Tell me. If I write PO, then what I do बेटा? P लिखा मतलब I always write this part or not? Tell me. Hello. In both the case, what I am writing here, can you see this part is common or not? Tell me. So if I write px अगर लिखा रहता तो क्या लिखता मैं माइनस log to the base 10 of x. py लिखता तो क्या लिखता बोलो बेटा माइनस log to the base 10 of what y. So if I write pka, so minus log to the base 10 of ka, pkb minus log to the base 10 of kb, pkw, then what I'll get beta minus log to the base 10 of kw. Are you getting it? Then this is very important derivation. Mark this, very important. Derive relationship between pH and pOH. So look beta, kw, today we did this. Gauri beta, look here. H plus into H minus is kW, but kW ka value is how much beta? 10 is to minus 14 at room temperature. Then taking log on both the side. Then multiplying by minus 1 on both the side. So this will become your pH. This will become your pOH. And this will become your 40. Right. बहुत इजी है ना ओके तो ये तुमने बोला ये पूरा चैप्टर 4 मार्क के लिए आने वाला है तो ये 2 मार्क का डेरिवेशन है और आज ओस्मोल लॉ का क्या वो भी 2 मार्क का डेरिवेशन था और न्यूमेरिकल भी कितने चीज दी है तो फिर now I am going to give you the tricks for this sums pH and pOH के tricks. अच्छा if a solution is ऐसे पहला ही एक सम दे देता जिसमें ना मिस्टेक करते बच्चे hey listen all of you for acid pH will be always less than 7 for acid pH will be always for base it will be always greater than 7 and for neutral Mirinda beta for neutral it will be how much 7 ठीक है हे हीरो धैर्य बेटा ये सब समझाना तुझे बेटा पीएच और पीओएच तो इतना इजी था ना बेटा नाउ आई हैव गिवन यू दिस ट्रिक बेटा अच्छा अबव आई हैव रिटन ऑल दिस हाँ बेटा pH is inversely proportional to H. Lower the H plus, higher the pH. Sorry, lower the H plus. Higher the H plus, lower the pH, stronger the acid. Now, these are the tricks, certain tricks I am giving you. This you have to remember. I have given in the notes also. First, pay attention here. If a solution has pH X, then shortcut बताता हूँ H plus ढूंढने का. How will you find Gauri beta? H plus will be what beta? 10 raised to minus X. Suppose if I given pH 1, so what will be your H plus Gauri beta? Tell me. Very good. If pH is 2, then very good. Vice versa, I can do. Divya beta, what I'm going to do now? If H plus is 10 raised to minus 3, then what will be your pH? उल्टा अभी बेबी ये देखना 10 raised to minus x तो x होता था कि नहीं तो ये 10 raised to minus 3 तो pH कितना हो जाएगा 3. If H plus is Trishya beta 10 raised to minus 13, therefore pH will be how much? 13. But this rule we can apply when it is a whole number, not a fraction. Agar if I given you pH is 1.5, so can you write H plus as 10 raised to minus 1.5? No, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है. Clear है? So this will apply only when it is a whole number. When it is a whole number. Clear? चलो. Similarly, Tiloda, if pH is pOH is Y, therefore what will be your OH minus? ट्रिक देता हूं ना बेटा ये देखना बेटा 10 raised to minus y सेम उसके जैसा ही pH के जैसा ही करेंगे ये फास्ट करोगे MCQ में pOH is बेटा 8 therefore what will be your OH minus but this can be applicable if it is a whole number if it is a whole number if it is a होल नंबर. बराबर है. चलो क्लियर. ओके आई एम गिविंग यू उल्टा. OH minus. Hey, धैर्य बेटा. If OH is 10 raised to minus 12, therefore what will be your POH? 12. ये ट्रिक समझा, ट्रिक समझा, ट्रिक समझा. बोलो. चलो. हाँ 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 हाँ. Now listen carefully. This is very easy and sums we can directly solve. अच्छा, strong acid. If it is a strong acid, बेटा. If it is a strong acid, it dissociates completely. It dissociates completely. तो अगर मैंने स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लिखा है बेटा 10⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻ तो ये भी कितना होगा? व्हाट विल बी योर H plus 10⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻ and this will be also what beta 10⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻. So for strong acid, whatever is the concentration of the acid, same will be the concentration of what? H plus. But provided it should be monobasic. क्या होगा? Monobasic. So for monobasic means look beta, monobasic strong acid. Monobasic HCl is a monobasic, it is a strong acid. Sonu class biryani, right beta? HNO3, it is a strong acid. So it will produce only one H plus. One H plus. One H plus. Right? So whatever is the concentration of the acid, it will be for monobasic acid. Concentration is nothing but what beta? Your how much is your basicity here? 1. So 1 into concentration of acid. 1 into your H plus will be 1 into concentration of acid. Given acid. Suppose यहाँ पे मैंने I have given 2, तो 1 into 2 होगा आंसर. Are you getting it? But if it is dibasic then? अरे डायबेसिक में कितना H होता है बोलो बेटा? H2SO4. So it will produce how many H? 2H. Right? So what will be the concentration of H plus here? 2 into concentration of acid. Suppose I have given here concentration 2. So this will be 2 into 2. This is for strong acid. Only for strong acid. Similarly for strong base, what we are going to do? Base होगा तो क्या करेंगे बेटा? Suppose if it is NaOH. So how many OH it will give? Lina के RBC is na 1. So what will be the concentration of OH? 1 into concentration of base. 1 into concentration of. But if it is dibasic, Lina के RBC is 12. तो क्या हो जाएगा? How many OH it will produce? 2. So what will be your OH minus? 2 into concentration of base. क्लियर है? अब पीएच के सब इतने चिंदी है ना बेटा, सबसे चिंदी है किसके सम्स बेटा? पीएच के. ओरली आप कर सकते हो. यू कैन डू इट ओरली. ओके, यू कैन डू इट ओरली. लुक, यू वांट ब्रेक और व्हाट? घर नहीं बेटा प्लीज. 12 बजे छोड़ूंगा बेटा. मैं ब्रेक देता हूँ. चलो मैं ब्रेक देता हूँ आप लोगों को. Now beta, this is very important. Okay, we have done pH and POH. Okay, now whenever we do pH and POH sum, I have given you the trick. If pH is what beta? X, therefore H plus will be what beta? 10 raised to minus X. But if it is a whole number, bas kare. Nikal chal away. Okay. Now, but listen beta, this is very important. If pH is, suppose if I give you 3.4, ऐसा दे दिया, तो क्या can I write this H plus as 10 raised to minus 3.4? Konark beta, Gauri beta, no, because it should be 10 का power should be always a whole number. Okay. So now what to do in this case? If pH is this, then I'll give you the trick. ये बहुत important trick है, देख लो hero. If pH is in fraction, तो बेटा point के आगे जो भी number है, what is the number before point? If it is a single digit, then therefore your H plus will be what beta? Directly I'll tell you beta, it will be anti-log. ऐसा लिख देने का ऑफ. ये 3 के आगे point के आगे क्या था? 3 point. Before point which number was there? 3. add 1 to it, so it will become what? And put a bar on it. Put Konark beta, you won't be able to solve this, huh? Please pay attention. And after point, if it is a single digit number, after point, if it is a, so subtract it from 10, subtract it from, so what I'm going to get? How to find anti-log of this? Now listen carefully. Whatever is the number before the point, it will become your power, 10 raised to minus 4. And now what we are going to do, we are going to calculate only anti-log of 0.6. This is your answer. Nerissa, this will be your answer. Now I'll give you a few more examples. Chalo, Nerissa, you only tell me if I am giving you pH is 7.4. So what will be your H plus? Now directly apply this logic. What you will do, beta? Anti-log of what you will do, beta? Point ke aage. So what you will put? Bar 8. And if it is a single digit, you will subtract it from 10. Acha, suppose if it would have been double digit. Chalo. Double digit hoga, so you will subtract it from 100. So what I'm going to get here? This. Now, how to find this? Whatever is your point, before point, it will become your 10 raised to minus 8. And this part will become what? Anti-log of 0.56. Is this clear? Is this clear? Now, in this sum, beta, whenever you will do this pH ka sum, always log will come. And without referring to logbook, how to do it fast. Okay, look here. Log of 1 is what, beta? 0. And this 2 you have to by heart. Only these two. By heart. Wow, beautiful. हाँ बस ये दो बाय हार्ट करने का log 2 is 0.3 and log 3 is what? 0.47. अच्छा, ये log of 4 can I write log of 4 as log 4 को मैं ऐसे लिख सकता गौरी 2 raised to 2. Can I write it as 2 raised to 2? तो अच्छा, a raised to b is b log a. So 2 into log 2. Log 2 we have by hearted. How much it is?
0.3.
So what will be the value of this? Are you getting it? अच्छा, log 10 is how much, beta? 1. So can I write log 5 as log 10 by 2? So log a by b is log a minus b. So 1 minus log 2. We know the value of log 2. We have by hearted this or not? Tell me. Clear? Okay. Log 6. Mirinda, can I write log 6 as log 2 into 3? Right? Achha, can log a into b is log a plus log b? Log 2 and log 3 we have by hearted or not? Tell me. Clear? Okay. चलो, ये लॉग्स आपने बोला सर आपने log 7 नहीं लिया. I'll tell you the reason behind it. ठीक है, तिलोड़ा log 8. Hey, can I write 8 as 2 raised to 3?
Yes, sir.
So basically whatever number we get in log we have to write in terms of 2 and 3. So log 3 log, हाँ बता रहा है ना, log 3 आ जाएगा ये. चलो, स्वाति बेटा log 9 can I write log 3 raised to 2, sorry. So 2 log 3. अच्छा, दिव्या बेटा log 7 हम लोग क्या करेंगे पता है क्या? Whenever log 7 will come ना बेटा, we will take average of these two.
Yeah.
log 7 हम लोग दोनों का एवरेज लेंगे, तो 0.9 प्लस 0.77 डिवाइड बाय 2.
0.4.
हाँ जो भी आएगा, मतलब एवरेज लेंगे. 0.46 कैसे आएगा बे छींगे? कैसे 43? 77 और 0.9 है.
86.
हाँ
43.
अरे राजा, ऐड करते 7 और ये कितना हो जाएगा? 61 आएगा ना बेटा, तो 0.8 ऐसा आएगा.
0.90.
हाँ तो 9 ही है ना, तो फिर 0.8 ऐसा समथिंग विल कम. 0.8 हाँ 3 हाँ जो भी है 0.3 हाँ 0.8. समझ में आया ना? क्लियर है? चले, याशिका क्या? याशिका नाम क्या तेरा? आशिका, आशिका. ये देख भाई, लॉग अगर 12 रहेगा तो क्या करेगी? चल बता, तो सोच के बता. तेरे को किसके फॉर्म में लाने का है? log 3 और log 2 के फॉर्म में. वेरी गुड. सो व्हाट विल डू बेटा? log 3 into 4. कैन आई राइट 12 as this way? छिंगे, log 3 प्लस log 4 हो जाएगा. सो log 3 प्लस log 4 को कैन आई राइट 2 log 2? So I have brought this into this form or not? Tell me. क्लियर है? ओके चलो बेटा, तो ये आपको याद रखना है. ये आप लोग को इसका एक ये चाहिए। लॉग 11 बेटा नहीं आएगा, आएगा तो एवरेज ले लेने। इसका एक तो ले लो बेटा, चलो फटाफट। मैंने एक नोट्स में ये लिखा हुआ भी दिया हुआ आप लोग, ठीक है ना? रुपये भेज देता अभी के अभी। सो सॉरी, अभी के अभी मैं ही भेज देता हूँ ना, काय के लिए टेंशन। कौन सा है अपना? Now we'll solve some. अच्छा, whenever सुनो ना बेटा, H plus ion for strong acid will take as per the acid. अच्छा बेटा, आपको मैं बताऊँ क्या एंटी लॉग भी हम लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं फास्ट? देखो, मैंने अगर आपको ऐसा बोला एंटी लॉग ऑफ 4.3 तो ए कैन आई राइट दिस 4 plus 0.3? ए 4 को मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूं 10⁻⁴ लॉग ऑफ 10⁻⁴ बरोबर है। अच्छा ये जो पॉइंट होता है ना, ये वाला 0.3 किसका लॉग था बोलो बेटा? 0.3। तो 0.3 की जगह पे मैं क्या लिखूंगा? प्लीज दिस विल हेल्प यू टू डू न्यूमेरिकल फास्ट। अदरवाइज आप लॉग टेबल देख के करना, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। हाँ ठीक है। नाउ लुक द फर्स्ट सम। चलो बेटा आ जाता। And beta, if H plus is given, look, all this I have explained you here. Look in my notes. Look beta, if pH is X, then what we take? H plus is 10⁻⁻⁻X. pH is X 10⁻⁻. So if it is pH is 3, vice versa, 10⁻⁻3. If H plus is 10⁻⁻X, then pH is X. Example भी मैंने दे दिया दोनों साइड। बट प्रॉब्लम कब आएगा तिलोड़ा? इफ इट इज 2.4 तो मैं इसको ऐसा लिख सकता 10⁻²। नहीं तो व्हाट विल बी डायरेक्ट। मैंने आपको ट्रिक बताया था, देखिए कैसे आता है, ये सब मगजमारी मत करो। मैंने डायरेक्ट आपको क्या ट्रिक बताया, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू 2 पॉइंट। तो देखिए ऐसा क्या करने का, एक ऐड करके बाहर 3 करने का, और सिंगल डिजिट होगा तो -10। आर यू गेटिंग इट? अच्छा चलो ना, हाउ विल यू डू दिस? कम ऑन त्रिष्या बेटा, व्हाट विल डू बेटा? डायरेक्टली एंटी लॉग ऑफ व्हाट? पॉइंट क्या आगे तो बाहर 4, और डबल डिजिट है तो -100। क्लियर है? So then you will solve this, then you will get what? 10⁻⁻⁴. 0.78 का what you have to take? Anti log. क्लियर है? 0.78 तेरा कहां पर आ रहा था बेटा अप्रोक्सीमेटली? ऐसा तू लॉग टेबल में भी डायरेक्ट देख सकती है, बट 0.78 तुझे कहां पे आ रहा था? यहाँ पे देख ना, 0.78 इधर आ रहा था कि नहीं? देख ए बेबी, तो डायरेक्ट उसके जगह पे क्या लिखेगी? log 6। समझ में आ गया? तो ये पूरा मैंने आपको बता दिया है। अच्छा, इफ दे गिव H plus is A into 10⁻⁻B, then what is your pH? ये शॉर्टकट है, क्या करे? Suppose if I given 5 into 10⁻², then what will be your pH? 2 minus log 5. Are you getting it? I give an example also. Look, अभी इसके सम इतने चिंदी है ना, तुमको क्या बोलूं मैं। चलो आ जाओ पहला वाला। बस बस 6 more minutes, 6 more minutes, 6 minutes only। हाँ चलो, नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या है? आजा तू ही चलते से स्टार्ट करता। नहीं नहीं नहीं, ओके गौरी बेटा, व्हाट वी हैव टोल्ड, this is in-text question. I am given pH and pH 0.01 molar. First you see, is it a strong acid? HCl is a strong acid. So what will be the H plus ion? Concentration of acid. Concentration of HCl only. So how much is your HCl given beta? Can I write 0.01 as 10⁻⁻²? So H plus is given, and what they have told you to find? Hey, so if H plus is 10⁻⁻², so pH is 2, हो गया। Okay, I got pH. So what will be my pH? pH plus pH is how much beta? अरे पैकिंग कर रहे हो क्या रे? Therefore pH is how much beta? pH plus pH is 14.
12.
So 14 minus 2, 12. हाँ अच्छा, अभी देख मैं फटाफट बताते जाता हूँ, सब देखते जाओ। क्या नाम है? हाँ कोनार्क। 0.0 सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड। सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज बेटा डाइबेसिक और नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि नहीं बोल? तो H plus will be what बेटा? 2 into concentration। हाउ मच इज कॉन्सेंट्रेशन? एक बार देयर इज अ बेबी, क्यों नहीं यार? Yeah, we like everything. Now, please, beta, please. Beta, 10 raised to 0.01. So, can I write this as 2 into 10 raised to minus 2? Now, pH I have to find. मैंने अभी आपको बताया था pH अगर ऐसा रहेगा a into 10 raised to minus b. So, it will be what? 2 minus log 2. खत्म. अरे तो सवाल क्या है? अभी छिंगे अभी हम लोग ने बायट किया ना 2 माइनस ये कितना होता था? 0.3 अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1.7 बराबर है कि नहीं? ये देख आ गया कि नहीं? हाँ तो हाँ अभी ये बेटा प्लीज यार मुझे टेक्स्ट बुक के समय करा रहा हूं देख लो। श्रुति बेटा व्हाट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट पीएच क्या दिया तेरे को? पीएच दिया है सॉरी और क्या ढूंढने का है? एच प्लस। हाउ मच इज पीएच? तो क्या मैं इसको ऐसा लिख सकता 10 बेबी आंसू ने दो बार क्लियर। कैन आई राइट दिस h प्लस इज इक्वल टू 10 टू माइनस 3.12? तो डायरेक्टली मैंने तेरे को ट्रिक बताया था व्हाट इज h प्लस। कम ऑन श्रुति बेटा पॉइंट के आगे जो भी नंबर रहेगा व्हाट विल डू बेटा? हाँ तो एंड बार 4 एंड दिस इज डबल डिजिट सो विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम 100 सो व्हाट 80। नाउ व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर बेटा? हाँ वेरी गुड एंटी लॉग ऑफ 0.88 इंटू 10 टू माइनस 4 ओ क्या भी अच्छा। नाउ ये 0.8 कहां पे आ रहा था अप्रोक्सीमेटली? देखो किधर गया अपना वो 0.8 कहां पे आ रहा था? वो लॉग के टेबल में देखो ना कहां पे आ रहा था रे। या फिर तुम लोग एंटी लॉग से डायरेक्ट ढूंढ पाओगे ना बेटा 0.8 है। फिर भी मैं देख लेता हूँ एक बार। नहीं लॉग 6 और लॉग 8 के बीच में आ रहा था बेटा। हाँ तो लॉग 7 का ही आ रहा था बेटा तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली मतलब 7 आएगा। देख इसलिए बेटा देख यहाँ पे 7 आ रहा है देख रहा है कि नहीं? ये देख रहा है कि नहीं? बट आप अभी ये एग्जैक्ट अगर ऐसा बीच में का वैल्यू आएगा तो विल सी डायरेक्ट लॉग टेबल। चलो नाउ इसका भी बताओ ओरली बेबी कम ऑन नाव्या पीएच इज how much? हाँ so what will be बेटा your h plus directly बेटा what will do बेटा एंटी लॉग ऑफ 0.6 से तो क्या हो जाएगा बार 7 डबल डिजिट विल सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 100 सो अभी आपको आ गया ना आंसर 10 टू माइनस 7 इंटू एंटी लॉग ऑफ 94 बराबर है बेटा। तभी एंटी लॉग यू कैन फाइंड दिस। मतलब ये सब इतना धतिंग करने का जरूरत नहीं है। हाँ वेरी गुड तो देखा ना मतलब 8 मतलब लेकिन बेटा एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू रहेगा तो विल सी इनटू दैट। ए बेटा बहुत ध्यान देने का अगर बेस दिया है और पीएच बोला ढूंढने के लिए ए बेबी इफ पीएच base is given in pH so we cannot directly find pH for base we will first find what beta OH so OH is this much beta clear है बेटा NOH is strong ना बेटा OH is given बेटा how much it is 2.87 into 10 raised to therefore POH मिलेगा 4 minus log of 2.87 POH मिल जाएगा। फिर कौन सा फॉर्मूला विल यूज is equal to 14 so 14 minus that it is very easy beta this is Foucault marks all this clear so beta please that's all for today okay I have done which all numerical I'll just show you देख ले खाली ये देख ये वाला मैंने किया pH POH then I did this ये देखो 3.12 देन ये वाला मैं सम अभी करवा दूंगा बेटा बहुत इजी है नेक्स्ट क्लास विल डू। चलो देन बाय बाय एवरीबॉडी।